Jeez. Who's on the phone?
Cheers.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Who are you calling? Yeah? Who is that? Where are you going?
Yes.
Yeah. Is it for Mama? Is that telephone call for Mama?
That's it.
Oh. Is it funny? Can they hear you? Can they hear you okay? What are they saying? That's a good conversation you're having. Uh-oh. That's 2 buttons you pushed. For all I know, it's 9 and 1. We gotta be careful the next. Oh, are you sleepies? Are you getting tired? You want to snuggle? I think it's time for a nap. Should Mama go get your milk? You want your milk? Yeah. No? No? You just want to lay down? You're pretty tired, huh? Oh, my baby. Let Mommy go get your milk, okay? I think it's time for nappy. Yeah. What do you think? I would say you're pretty tired. Are you sleepy or what? Yeah. What are you doing, you silly goose? Oh, don't get me. Don't get me. Don't get me.